What's up, guys? Your boy Rome 300. I'm back again with another video. This one is going to be my top 11 fragrances for winter 2018. I told you guys I was going to bring one. And like I said before, it's officially cold as hell outside. So I got to bring you my list of what I think you guys should probably pick up or try. What I will be wearing pretty much for the duration of the winter time. So without further ado, let's get it started. And just a disclaimer, guys, just to let you guys know, there's a lot of fragrances here that I think are new to the game. Some came back from last year. Some I got a lot of new fragrances for you guys to try out, and I'm really loving now. And if you're new to my channel, I usually pick fragrances that many people don't talk about. So I'm gonna put a spotlight to that, give you guys something new so you'll smell unique, different, and also have a little swag with what you'll be wearing for the winter. So I'm gonna start off with my 3 honorable mentions first, just because I don't have full bottles of them, and I just recently got, these travel sprays, or I guess you get atomizers. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start off with Juliet Maud. This is the beautiful Fugit Amour. This is kind of like a black currant, also licorice with an herbal effect, with also a sweet tangerine and citrus note behind it with some dark sweetness. This is absolutely good and strong enough to last for the winter. I will be getting a full bottle of that one. Fugit Amour from Juliet Maud. Next up, honorable mention. This is from Evanescence. I'll be doing the actual first impression video on both of these fragrances, but this one is Musk Ambergris, or Musk Ambergris, excuse me. This is, like I said, a dry, sweet amber with a musk kind of dry down, with also this kind of animalistic background to it, but absolute gorgeous. If you like amber, you like musk, you like slight sweetness to it, with a dry kind of powdery amber, you'll like this one. Next one, last honorable mention. I wish I had a bottle of this too. If you like Mason Francis Kurkdjian's, what's the name of the fragrance? I keep forgetting the name of the fragrance. Something, I'll put the bottle up there. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of the fragrance, but it's a fragrance that this is kind of close to in DNA. I'll talk more about it in the first impression video, but this is a leather. Also has a slight resinous smell to it, with this cozy, intimate booziness that goes along with it, with a slight woody, almost animalic note in the dry down also. But definitely, if you like suede-like leather with amber effect, you'll definitely like this one. So those are my 3 honorable mentions that'll be great for the winter. Hopefully I have full bottles of all 3 of those. And let's move on to the 11 fragrances. And we're gonna start off, if you just saw my video a few weeks ago, maybe a week ago, I put this up with Flirty Face. You already know I had to put this in there. This is Givenchy Pie, and if you see the video, she loved this. She tried to steal my bottle, but this is a great winter fragrance that has a nutmeg and also a slight spiciness to it. Great for going out, great for being in outdoors. Beautiful fragrance, Givenchy Pie. Everybody, if you know fragrances, this is a great designer. Definitely pick it up. Next up, this is a new fragrance in my collection. It also was featured in I Don't Give a Fuck About Compliments video that I did. This is Cure by Mona Dior. This is straight, just overpowering, beautiful, smoky leather. This is my man fragrance. This is the alpha male man fragrance. This is my going out. This is guys' night out. This is the fragrance. And it's at number 10 because I don't find really occasions to wear it unless I'm just kind of going out with the guys. I haven't really gotten any. My wife hates leather fragrances, period. So I'm not wearing it out with her. And the only time I wear it is when I'm going out with my guys. So Beast Mode fragrance, winter, beautiful. Check it out. If you love fragrances, this is, like I said, this is leather boots, leather jacket, leather drawers, leather beauty. Next up, it is from one of my favorite houses, and you know how to put it in there. This is Boadicea the Victorious Intense. You can check out my review. I'll put the link down below of this one. This is honey, floral, dry fruits, intense sweetness, but beautiful dry down of just a honey and vanilla. Absolutely gorgeous. This is my competitor to By Kilian's Back to Black. If you like By Kilian's Back to Black and you already experienced that, you should definitely try this one. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. At number 9, Boadicea the Victorious Intense. Next up at number 8. Number 8 is from Mona Dioria, and this is Vanille. When I tell you I still haven't smelled anything that comes close to beating this as my favorite vanilla fragrance, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, this, well, I didn't say it, but I'm saying it now. This review of this fragrance is down below. I'll put the link so you can check it out. But this is almost cookie dough, baked cookie, vanilla, with a slight kind of burntness to it, or roasted almond and roasted vanilla with a white, kind of a white chocolate or white vanilla that goes along with this. Beautiful. At first though, it was beast mode, but it's not strong, but also wearable at fall and winter, but definitely great for the winter. Mona Dioria's Vanille. Hope you guys enjoying this. This is number 7. Now, I did a review for this one also. This is Pozzo di Borgo's Maya 1957. And I said this before, I'll say it again. If you like or you did not like I'ma Wash Sunshine, you gotta try this one. In my opinion, this is a better performer. It's easier to wear, and it doesn't have all these confusing notes that hit you. And for me, it doesn't make me feel like, should I be wearing this in winter? Should I be wearing this in summer? I don't know. This is absolutely gorgeous when it comes to Immortelle, herbal, spicy, with a little booziness behind it. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Lasts all day. 10 hours plus. Next up, that was number 7. At number 6, another new member of the family, and man, this is becoming one of my favorite children. This is Anima Dosis. Who puts chocolate and chili powder together? I don't know, but they did. You like spicy, you like chocolate, you like cacao, you like vanilla, you'll love this one. I'll be doing a review for this one. Look for that soon. Another fragrance that when it sits on your skin, it kind of develops, and it definitely will attract the opposite sex. In my opinion, I'd wear this just to get attention, especially from beautiful women. My wife loves it. When I'm going out to perform, I know that, you know, if I put this on, it's going to perform and I'm going to get attention. You know, just to know I still got it. But definitely a beautiful fragrance, and it's a unisex fragrance. I definitely think women can pull this off also. Next up, at number 5. Now, We're getting down to number 5, and I'm listening to my jazz music. Y'all know I got, I'm in a mellow mood right now, but we're gonna take a second to listen to that. We have Shipra Palitan from MDCI. Shipra Palitan is my modern day classic barbershop fragrance. In the suit, going out to dinner, going out to a jazz club, sit down with some whiskey. Just an absolute beautiful fragrance, guys. And in my opinion, the best in their line. And yes, I do have the black bust. Don't be jealous. They still have more. You can get one. Don't be jealous. You can be jealous. It's okay. It's okay. All right, let's move on. Move on. Next one. From my favorite house. It has moved down, but it's still in the top 5. This is at number 4. And this is Amor di Palazzo by Juliet Maud. Still one of my favorite fragrances in my collection. It goes back and forth between 1 and 2, but I put it at number 4 because I've been wearing other fragrances more and I've been gravitating towards them. But this is still one of the best leather fragrances, one of the most coziest, warm, inviting clove, leather, amber fragrances that you will ever smell. And I'm telling you, guys, girls get your man this, guys go out and pick it up. Beautiful fragrance. Next up, that was at number 4. At number 3, the newest fragrance in my collection, the newest acquisition I picked up, and I've been wanting this fragrance for over 2 years, and I finally got it in my collection, and this is Evanescence. Evanescence is, oh my God, Patchouli Oud. I sit that down right there so y'all can see that. Patchouli Oud it's earthy, herbal, sweet, and almost soil-like effect with a woody oud base and borderline beast mode. 3 sprays of this, you good for the day. Look how dark that juice is. If you can see how dark that juice is, look how beautiful this crystal bottle is. And this is a new presentation. If you're familiar with Evanescence, they changed their presentation up. Now they have a coffin, and I'm truly enjoying this. A review for this one will be coming up very soon, guys. Next up, at number 2, it is what I call the Blue Beast, Boadicea the Victorious, Blue Sapphire. This is beast mode to the 10th power. This is citrus, orange, lemon, lime, amber, patchouli, oud, period. Citrus with an oud, with a sweet amber, and a sweet patchouli. Just a beautiful fragrance. But be light on the trigger. This thing is beast mode. I don't even spray it on my neck. I spray it on my hands or on my clothes. You'll be good. Wear this outside in the coldest part of the winter, and you'll be good for 24 hours. Gotta pick it up, guys. It is pricey, but it's worth it. Last but not least, let's go ahead and do a little bit more jazz music. Get ready for it. Y'all hear that bass? Last but not least, another one from Boadicea the Victorious. It is still the reigning champion, has not lost its place, and it will not lose its place, I don't see. This is Boadicea the Victorious Ethereal. Ethereal is my absolute favorite fragrance, Like I said, it goes between this and Amor di Palazzo. This is ambergris. This is oud. This is sandalwood, cedarwood. Sensual, sexy, under the sheets, beautiful going out with your loved one. Absolute gorgeous fragrance. This is pure luxury in my opinion. Unfortunately, it's really hard to find, but if you can't find it, contact David, Chris from Bodicea Victorious. Email them, Facebook, whatever you can. Check it out. I know they're still available, but you gotta go and get this one, guys. You will not regret it. Man, get a little emotional, but yo, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful fragrance. That's why it's at #1. And yeah, that's my top 10. I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can see exactly how this thing works. So let's, hopefully I can get it all up here. So that is my top 11 2018 winter fragrance picks. I hope you guys like. I will put links down below and let you guys know where you can purchase these from. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Love this. I love this hobby. I love doing this. And I hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing. Please, please let me know what you guys be wearing for the winter. And yeah, please, you know, subscribe if you haven't. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. And I will be doing a giveaway for 3 of these fragrances. Now, the 3 fragrances that I will be giving a sample of, 2 ml sample of, will be 1. Definitely will be giving that one because I know anybody checking that one out. 2, Anima Dosis. And 3, I'm gonna give someone a 2 ml sample of Bodicea Victorious Ethereal. That's what you gotta do is like, comment, and also be subscribed to my channel. You ain't getting shit if you ain't subscribed to my channel. Alright? Alright guys. That's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Peace.